This is a clown. Completely carved out of wood. The head is carved out of wood. The hands and feet are carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. The clothes are handmade. The body is a wood frame covered with cloth. Wears about 5T, 4T, 5T will fit with him. The mouth is a ring lever. The eyes don't move, as I said. The hands are carved out of wood. And the feet are also carved out of wood and painted. So we have a barefoot clown. The back is cut out so you can get your hand in here. You don't have to go up and under. We have the stick attached to the bottom of the body, to the head, to help hold it on for you. You just release the rubber band and you can take the head out for storage. Has a simple ring lever, which I find works really well for either hand and your finger or your thumb, depending on what you prefer. It's hand painted. It's like I said, everything is carved from wood. If you have to get into the back to make adjustments or to fix something, you just take this wig off here. There's 2 screws that hold the side of the back of the piece on. You take it out and you can get inside and then just restaple the headpiece back on. So if you're interested in this guy, you can contact me on my Facebook page and we can talk. Thanks for watching.